rapid weight loss, increased energy, and incredible health. Limited time offer. Only $47.37. Real people, real results. Danielle was shocked when she realized that she lost 8 pounds in 1 week. Houston, TX. Danielle lost 8 pounds in 1 week. Getting into this diet was so easy and the results were so fast. After only 1 week on the smoothie diet, I weighed myself and realized I had lost 8 pounds. I feel better and more confident than I have in a very long time. I don't have to suck in my stomach to button my pants anymore, and I still have to stop to do a double take every time I walk in front of a mirror. Your results may vary. Sarah used the smoothie diet to do a complete mommy makeover, Tulsa, okay. Sarah dropped 3 pounds in 3 days. I've never seen the weight come off like this. I really love this diet. It's more like a life overhaul. I have more energy than I've had in years and my skin is actually glowing. This is the perfect mommy makeover I was looking for. In the last few weeks I wasn't hungry at all, and it is the perfect complement to my busy lifestyle. I know that I am losing weight in a healthy way. My husband has started asking me more frequently if I would make him a smoothie, which is wonderful. Thank you times 10 million. Your results may vary. Jade was able to lose her stubborn belly fat and get rid of her love handles, Buffalo, New York. Jade kicked 12 pounds in 21 days. I've been trying forever to lose the last 10 to 15 pounds. And tone up, and that's exactly what happened, so I am very happy. I feel great about myself. I don't find myself holding in my belly anymore and feel confident about myself, and people have noticed that about me too, and my love handles are gone. I couldn't be happier with this whole program, and I definitely recommend this to anyone looking to lose a little or lose a lot. Your results may vary. 21 days. To a slimmer, sexier you. The Smoothie Diet is a revolutionary new life transformation system that not only guarantees to help you lose weight and feel better than you have in years. It also promises to eliminate more body fat faster than anything you've tried before. What makes the Smoothie Diet different? This is not just a big book of smoothie recipes. You're getting the same proven 3-week weight loss and health improvement program I share with my private clients. The secret that makes the Smoothie Diet so effective is the custom 3-week weight loss schedule. All the smoothies are given in a very specific sequence and frequency to maximize your results. For example, the nutrient and ingredient ratios vary week to week to make sure the weight keeps coming off and stays off. I've used my knowledge as a health coach and what I've learned from all my clients to make sure this program delivers rapid results. I have meticulously researched specific ingredients and nutrient properties to maximize the effectiveness of this program. All you have to do is replace certain meals with the smoothie recipes I provide, and then watch as the pounds melt effortlessly off your body, and your energy levels skyrocket. Everything you get. In just a few minutes from now you'll have access to all the tools you need to lose weight and get healthy as quickly as possible. I've left nothing up to chance, everything is laid out step by step so you can start today and lose weight by tomorrow. The Smoothie Diet 21-Day Program. If you're looking for a complete life transformation over the next 3 weeks, then you're in the right place. Whether you need to lose the last 5 to 10 pounds or you want to get rid of 40 pounds or more, this will work for you. This diet is extremely flexible, so even though this program is 21 days, you can continue using it for as long as you want to lose as much weight as you want, and I explain exactly how. Dramatic weight loss is only one of the numerous benefits you'll get from this diet. How would you like more energy, clearer skin, better sleep, sharper thinking, stabilized blood sugar, and more? You are only 21 days away. You're getting the full 21-day weight loss and health improvement program I regularly use with my private coaching clients.